Hello and welcome. Good morning, cadets, class 10th. Hope you are doing well. In the last video sessions, I explained question and answers of chapter 1 and 2, that is power sharing and federalism. Today, let us check the question and answers for chapter number 3, that is democracy and diversity. I repeat, the chapter of democracy and diversity, gender, caste, and division. These chapters definitely will be considered for internal assessment. So please write the question and answers which are displayed to you in the video lessons. So let us proceed to the exercise part of chapter number 3, that is democracy and diversity. Here we have questions related to paragraph, question related to fill in the blanks, and question related to higher order thinking skill, that is about the explanation part of the topic. Okay. Question number 1. Discuss 3 factors that determine the outcome of politics of social division. We studied about politics of social division. So question, what is the question? Question is, discuss 3 factors that determine the outcome of politics of social division. Let us check the answer for the question. Please write down the answer. This is generally a 5-mark question. In the way people perceive their identity, that is the point number 1. Social division may take place if the people demand a special recognition to their identities. If people see their identities in singular terms, it becomes difficult to accommodate and avoid social division. So point number 1, the way the people perceive their identity. This is what, for your understanding, I explain in brief that what happened in Sri Lanka is the same. Sinhalese considered that they are singular and unique. So when they consider they are singular and unique, definitely they demanded for a special status. Let us check the point number 2. How political leaders raise the demand of any community. The second factor which determines social division is that the demands raised by the community, how the political leaders raise these demands to a next level. It is easier to accommodate the demands that are within constitutional framework and are not at the cost of another community. Means if the demands are democratic, that can be accepted, but if they are beyond the constitutional framework, if they are accepted by the government, definitely it lead to the social division. Third point, it depends how the government reacts to the demands of different groups. If government gives equal importance to all majority and minority community, if the government suppress the demands of particular community, it leads to unrest and violence, thereby paving the way for social division. So these are the 3 factors which determine social division. First, the way the people pursue their identities. Second, how political leaders raise these demands in the community. Third, how the government reacts to the demands of different groups. If the government tried to suppress the demand, naturally it lead to civil war, violence. All these we saw in the case of Sri Lanka. Hope you have completed. Let us move to the question number 2. When does a social difference become a social division? The question is, when does a social difference become a social division? I hope you wrote the question. Let us check the answer. Social difference means the difference in a group of people due to their race, religion, language, or culture. When a particular social division becomes more important and people start feeling that they belong to a different community. When social difference divide the similar people from one another, it becomes a social division. Hope you wrote the point number 1. What is point number 2? That is, we are giving an example for social division. For example, it is common for people belonging to the same religion to feel that they do not belong to the same community because their caste or creed is different. This feeling of difference gives rise to social division. For example, Dalits in India often face discrimination and injustice. They tend to be poor and landless. Such situation often leads to social division in the society. Hope you are able to understand the answer. So, it clearly says that if a community is oppressed continuously, definitely that community feel themselves that they are not belongs to the society. So, they try to aloof or go away from the community. Example is given here, that is Dalits in India who often face the discrimination and injustice by the upper community, our upper caste or forward caste or community. Hope you wrote the question number 3 is over. Let us check the question number 4. Okay, cadets, let us move to the next question. Dash different social difference create possibility of deep social division and tension, and dash social difference usually leads to conflict. Here you have to give the answer about overlapping and cross-cutting social difference. So first one, what is first one? Overlapping social difference create possibility of deep division in the society. Second, cross-cutting social difference do not usually lead to conflict. That is what we studied in the case of Mexican Olympics, where if the social division cross-cut each other, definitely it won't create any problem in the society that we studied. Okay, let us continue the question number 3, because we directly went to question number 4. Let us check question number 3. How do social division affects politics? Give example. That is the question number 3. The combination of politics and social division can be bane or boon, that is negative or positive. The politics of a country cannot remain untouched by social division. It's inevitable. Social division affects politics of a country both negatively and positively. What is the merit of politics of social division? Merits. Political representation of a social division can allow the marginalized social groups to express their issue and ask the government to come up with policies to rectify them. For example, the system of reservation of seats in legislature, that even in Panchayat Raj also you can add, for socially backward groups has allowed these groups to have adequate representation in the decision making process. So that is a benefit or merit or a positive point of a social division. So social division gave representation to economically socially backward caste or minorities, so that they can express their opinion and definitely their will, or they are given due respect in passing of any law. Let us study the negative side of the politics of social division. Demerits. Politics involve cutthroat competition among parties. So what happened in political parties? Political parties, they start dividing people on the basis of caste, community, religion. That lead to cutthroat competition among political parties. This competition tends to divide the society, which leads to conflict, violence, or even disintegration of the society. Second, social division lead to political division, which results in emergence of a leader or a political group. Because of certain social issues, some leaders or social groups origin, and these social groups definitely later create a problem which represents particular social group. We studied example, for example, Yugoslavia, where the political parties refused to accommodate each other, resulted in division of a country. We studied how Yugoslavia was divided into independent countries. We also studied the example of Northern Ireland, the conflict between Protestants and Catholics among the Christian community. So even though the Christian community, but there was a problem between Protestants and Catholics. So this is the answer for question number 3. Let us move to the next question, that is question number 4. Hope you are able to follow. Question number 4, which I already displayed once again, but once again I will do it. Dash social difference create possibility of deep social division and tensions, and dash social difference do not usually lead to conflict. Answer is overlapping social difference create possibility of deep social division. Cross-cutting social division usually not lead to conflict. So A is overlapping, B is cross-cutting. This is the answer. Overlapping and cross-cutting social difference. Hope you completed. Let us move to the next. That is question number 5. In dealing with social division, which one of the following statement is not correct about democracy? A. Due to political competition in a democracy, social division get reflected in politics. B. In a democracy, it is possible for communities to voice their grievances in a peaceful manner. C. Democracy is the best way to accommodate social diversity. D. Democracy always leads to disintegration of society on the basis of social division. Read question once again carefully. In the dealing of social division, which one of the following is statement is not correct about democracy. So definitely answer is D, because democracy leads disintegration, but we cannot say always leads to disintegration. That is not possible. So answer is D for question number 5. Let us move to question number 6. Consider following 3 statements. Social division takes place when social difference overlap. It is possible that a person can have multiple identities. C. Social division exists in big countries like India. Which statement is or are correct? A, B, C, A and B, B and C, only C. Answer is B, because social division even it was there in Northern Ireland, a small country. So what is the answer? Answer is B. What is B? B says that A and B are correct. Answer is B. Arrange the following statements in a logical sequence and select the right answer by using the code given below. But all political expressions of social group need not be always dangerous. Social division of one kind or other exists in most countries. C. Parties try to win political support by appealing to social division. D. Some social difference may result in social division. You have to arrange in a logical sequence. Okay. So answer is A. That is B, D. What is A? Check once again if you want. That is D, B, C, A. That is A option. So answer is question number 7. Answer is A. Let us move to question number 8. Among the following countries, which countries suffered disintegration due to political fights on the basis of religion and ethnic identities? We just now explained about that. That is Yugoslavia. Answer is C. Answer is C. That is Yugoslavia. Read the following passage from the famous speech of Martin Luther King Jr. in 1963. Which social division is talking about? What are his aspirations and anxieties? Do you see a relationship between speech and the incident of Mexican Olympics mentioned in this chapter? I have a dream that 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not judge by the color of the skin but the content of their character. Let freedom ring, and when this happens, and when we allow freedom ring, when we let ring from every village and every helmet and every state and every city, will be able to speed up the day when all God's children, black men and white men, Jews, Gentiles, Protestants, Catholics, will be able to join hands and sing the word of old Negroes, spiritual, free at last, thank God Almighty, we are free at last. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. This is the speech of Martin Luther King Jr. Answer to this question. In his speech, Martin Luther King Jr. is talking about racial discrimination in the United States of America. He is referring to the segregation of policy adopted by the whites towards colored people. In his speech, he is talking about social division which is based on the birth. He expressed his wish that there should not be no discrimination on the basis of color, race and creed, that every one should be treated equality with the same respect and honor of the country. He hopes for a country where there will be security for all, when there is a race there, and where racial abuse will not occur. He wishes of a country where blacks and white is a mere color of a skin, and thereby absolutely no discrimination. Everyone should enjoy equal rights and respect. So question is asking, is there a link between this and Mexican Olympics? Definitely yes. There is a relationship between his speech and incident of Mexico Olympics. The incident of Mexico Olympics related to social discrimination in the United States highlighted the condition or plight of African American people in USA. So with this, question and answers which are given in textbook of chapter number 3 is over. Please write down and send the pics to my class, that is Google Class Code. Please send the PDF file of the question and answers. Take care of yourself. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.